Subscribe now for update video every day.
Description of walking tours to Japan. Thigh's walking tour to Japan takes you to some of Japan's most beautiful landscapes as well as the buzzing cities of Tokyo and Kyoto. Going on foot allows you greater insight and access to Japanese culture than on a traditional tour, and each day will bring new foodie and cultural adventures, as well as meaningful interactions with locals. If you look down at Japan from the air, you'll see that the islands are mountainous, with a narrow strip of land around the coast and a few inland basins. It is these flat areas that are densely populated. The mountains are surprisingly quiet, with few inhabitants and many deeply ingrained traditions, and it's here that you'll spend most of your time on this trip. Your journey begins in the megametropolis that is Tokyo, before heading out to admire the iconic Mount Fuji from one of the surrounding hills. Then it's on to the Kiso Valley, which you'll explore by way of the legendary walking trail that once connected the Sea of Japan with the Pacific Ocean. In between these bucolic walks, there's a chance to get to know the back roads, temple gardens and bohemian street culture of Japan's ancient capital, Kyoto, as well as explore the dynamic city of Osaka.